Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone interested in investing, the primary market. If you're new to the world of finance, this video is your ultimate beginner's guide to understanding how the primary market works and why it matters. What is the primary market? So, what exactly is the primary market? Simply put, it's where companies issue new securities to the public for the first time. This process is known as an initial public offering or IPO. When a company decides to go public, it offers shares of its stock to investors through the primary market. This is a way for the company to raise capital to fund its operations and growth. The IPO process. Let's break down the IPO process. First, the company prepares by disclosing its financials, business model, and growth plans. Investment banks play a crucial role here, assisting the company in determining the IPO price and reaching potential investors. Once everything is set, the company's shares are offered to the public and trading begins. Key players. Understanding the primary market involves knowing the key players. You have the issuing company, the investment banks that underwrite the offering, and the investors, both individual and institutional, who buy the newly issued shares. Why does it matter? Why should you care about the primary market? Well, it offers opportunities for investors to buy shares of promising companies early on. Investing in the primary market can potentially lead to significant gains if the company succeeds and its stock price rises. Bonus tip: consider the risks. Now, here's a bonus tip for you. While the primary market can be exciting, it's important to understand the risks. Not all companies that go public thrive, and stock prices can be volatile. Make sure to do thorough research before investing and consider diversifying your portfolio to manage risk. And that's a wrap on our beginner's guide to the primary market. We hope you've gained a clearer understanding of how this market works and its significance in the world of finance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. As always, feel free to leave your questions and comments below. Thanks for watching.